Samsung has fired 2 employees over leaks related to the S25 Plus. But guess what? Case and skin artists are still giving us an almost official sneak peek of the Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra. Glowing star visuals of the devices. Grand has already begun pre-orders for S25 series cases and skins. Meanwhile, the Indian portal Gadget Shields has kicked off pre-orders with some amazing mock-ups of the S25 series. These mock-ups reveal pristine designs with rounded corners, flat frame design, and sleek rear camera rings. Close-up shots of design features. The Galaxy S25 series retains the camera sensor layout from its predecessors but with a fresh twist. The camera section now features thicker rings for an enhanced look. You can also expect a huge selection of skins for the S25 series, allowing you to customize your phone to match your personality. The brand is well known for its incredible accessory range. Prototype photos and comparisons. While initial prototype photos didn't look as impressive, the recent designs are absolutely stunning. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to dazzle us with an enhanced display and maximum brightness of 3000 candelas per square meter, perfect for sunny days. Sun with Faye. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will also feature a 5000 mAh battery, UFS 4.0 storage, and a sleek new Corning Gorilla Armaglass screen protector with improved anti-reflective properties. Plus, the screen size is increasing to 6.9 inches, matching the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Visuals of car crash detection feature. And that's not all. The S25 Ultra is rumored to include car crash detection using a composite sensor. This feature might also come to older models with a software update. Automobile talks about design changes. We're expecting a design overhaul with more curved corners, similar to the iPhone 16 and Pixel 9, and QA2 magnetic wireless charging for faster speeds and compatibility with MagSafe accessories. Camera and performance updates. Rumors suggest an upgraded ultra-wide-angle lens, possibly up to 50 megapixels, and a variable telephoto lens with optical zoom capabilities. All S25 models will run on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, promising top-notch performance. Galaxy AI features. Look out for new Galaxy AI capabilities launching with One UI 7 on the S25 Ultra. Exciting times ahead. Samsung security updates. Samsung is also committed to security, with monthly updates fixing vulnerabilities. Recently, 2 major vulnerabilities were highlighted in the Galaxy Store, but rest assured, Samsung is on it. RCS communication features. Lastly, Dual SIM RCS is coming to Samsung devices via Google Messages, bringing real-time typing indicators, read receipts, high-resolution media transfers, stickers, and group chatting.